Hello guys, how to fix if Windows Fax and Scan option is missing from your Windows 11 and 10 system. If you don't find Windows Fax and Scan option, then here are the process to fix this issue. Go to settings of your system, press Win plus I shortcut key to launch Windows settings. Here from the left side, click on system, and from the right side, look for optional features. It may be available under system, but sometimes it will not available here, and you will find optional feature under apps settings. So from the left side, go to app settings, and here scroll down and you will find optional features. Here add an optional features, click on view features and look for Windows Fax and Scan. Look for Windows Fax and Scan and select it and click on the box and choose next, and finally choose install and let the window complete the installing procedure. It will take some times based on your internet connection, and once successfully installation, your Windows